everyone, welcome back. Today we're at this little creek and I've got tied up. I've just got weightless swim bait on here and I can switch out to a worm if I want to, which I'm probably going to do, and then I got a topwater frog. So we're going to be trying to catch some fish. There's bass in this creek, I know, and then there are also grinnell, which are really fun to catch, and there's gar, but I don't really want to catch gar, but grinnell or bowfin are really fun to catch. They have a great fight. Yeah, so I'm going to be happy if I catch either one, a bowfin or a bass. Yeah, so let's see if we can catch some. There's actually two creeks that run here, running parallel to each other. So we can go to either one. There's a log where you can cross this one. I'm going to go ahead and start fishing. This is a nice little spot. I like this. Let's see, where can we get to the water? This is a really pretty little spot. I like this. Never fished here before. If I can get something to bite, I'm definitely going to have to come back. I'm probably going to come back whether something bites or not. Because I really want to catch a fish out of here. Which I have caught fish out of this creek before, just not on this side. I'm gonna have to come here another day, but that had to have been a bowfin. Yep, that's what that was. Oh, I gotta get that back up there. Oh, he took the tail. He cut the tail off. Ooh. There he is. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That is an aggressive bass. That's a good one. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. He hit it twice. He hit it and then I pulled it out and then he chased it and hit it again. Look at that thing. Look how fat he is. That's a pretty little bass. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna release him now. Try and release him without too much noise. Let's go. Every time a fish hits, I need a new worm. There's fish. There we go. Come on. Oh. These fish fight so hard. No. Come on. I see a gar sitting right there. I thought I had him for a second. I needed to set the hook harder. There's fish. Oh no. It's so weird. It's like you're upside down. It's so weird. I hate that fish came off. Alright, it's raining now and I've broke my line. So I'm gonna get out of the top of this tree so I don't get completely soaked, because there's nothing over me. And I'm gonna try and find another place on the bank where I got some leaves over me so that I'm not completely soaked. I really wanted to catch a fish out of this tree. We did hook 2. Never got them up, but we did hook 2, so. I'm gonna have to remember this spot. Once I get once I get my bow out so I can bow fish from here, because you could see the fish. Well, you could see the gar there, and I could see if the fish moving. There's a big gar right there. There we go. No! I got hung in the branch and I couldn't get the second hook set in. I had him hooked, but I wanted to sink it deeper. I got hung in this branch above me. That was a big gar. That was a huge gar. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was a super fun one to make. We caught very few fish. We had a ton of fish hit though and hooked a good number of fish. All the fish were super aggressive. Yeah, it was a ton of fun. I'm definitely going to come back and fish again and try and catch more, because we had a bunch of bites, just struggling to keep them on. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next time. Also, I hope the outro wasn't too shaky. I was walking across a log.